Hi, I'm Charlotte Augst. I lead the work of National Voices. So National Voices is the coalition of health and care charities in England. We've got a few more than 190 members. Those are all the health and care charities you will have heard of, all the really large ones, national ones, but also loads of smaller ones, some that are looking after rarer conditions. And increasingly, we also have organisations join us who look after marginalised communities. Well, most of us, when we have something wrong with our health, especially if that's gone on for a while or it's quite a complicated or serious disability or illness, we also have other needs. You know, we need help with our housing or our employment or the money or our relationships or with our emotional well-being. And I think the work of link workers and social prescribing is a route into that conversation, and it helps us to acknowledge that people have holistic needs that need to be met holistically, and also that people can repair their lives, people can live a good life even if they live with ill health and disability. The two things aren't exclusive. I think the National Association of Link Workers is a really strong champion of the work link workers are doing, and they have this really effective relationship with the health and care system, that they are critical friends and they stand on their own 2 feet. They're not part of the system, of the NHS England Commission system, but they are partners and they are critical friends and they make a massive contribution.